Okay. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your home address on Google Maps. So let's say you had an address there, you want to change it, maybe you moved. It's real easy to do. So what you got to do is go into your Google Maps. And what I like to do is go into the search bar at the very top corner here, at the very top of your screen, I'm sorry. And you want to go to where it says more, right next to where it says work and home. So go ahead and hit the more. And as you see, I do just have an address here. You want to go ahead and change it. Go ahead and hit the three dots on the far right-hand side. And then go ahead and hit edit home. So from here, what you want to do is go ahead and clear out your address at the top right-hand corner. Go ahead and hit that little X. And then let's go ahead and type in a random address here. So I'm just going to type one that I found on Google. And here we go. And then what that's going to do is it's going to update the location, and you would go ahead and hit done at the very bottom here. And then as you see, it changed automatically to your new address that you put down. So if we were to go back out to the original home page of Google Maps, and let's say you hit the search bar and you want to go to home, it would immediately start to set a route to that location. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and change your home address.